Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Beko Dishwasher. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this dishwasher is worth it. Beko Dishwasher Overview. This machine allows you to cut your dish cleaning time in half, since it uses powerfully pressured water jets that work in various patterns to ensure the effective and fast cleaning of your dishes. The other feature you've got to love about this dishwasher is how quiet it is while in operation. In fact, the only thing that will get you to know that the machine is at work is a red light that shines on the floor when it's on. Beko Dishwasher is highly ranked in energy saving, with a power consumption rate of 1 kWh and 230 kWh per year. The machine has many functions and programs like Quick and Clean, Clean and Shine, Pre-Wash, Delay, Sanitize, and Dry, among others. What we liked: its power efficiency, reasonable pricing, silent operation. What we didn't like: no water softening function. Beko Dishwasher features. Performance. The functionality of this machine is very outstanding, from effective cleaning of dishes due to its water pressure that allows 360 degrees deep cleaning, fast operation, affected by multiple water jets, and water saving as it uses as little as 9.5 liters of water per cycle, energy saving with a usage of 1 kWh, which saves your utility bills, multiple programs, and functions to suit your every need. Beko Dishwasher is worth every penny tagged on it. Design. This dishwasher is built as a standalone machine, which allows placement flexibility. Apart from normal dishwashing capabilities, it's also designed to accommodate jars and tall bottles up to 12 inches deep. With narrow openings, the machine has grippers to help secure such bottles and jars while it does the cleaning. Capacity. Beko Dishwasher has 3 loading baskets: upper, lower, and intense lower baskets that allow you to load multiple dishes at once. The loading racks also support load flexibility, where you can fold down plates to create room for extra and larger bowls, pans, and others. The machine also has a half-load function for those days when you have fewer dishes, allowing you to save on energy consumed. Who is it best suited for? If you have a big family who would like the hand dishwashing tasks offloaded from you, this product will meet your needs. Anyone looking for a quality machine to assist in doing their dishes should consider the Beko Dishwasher. Verdict: should I get the Beko Dishwasher? Beko Dishwasher has no water softening function, which can affect the efficiency of your dishwasher in the long run. Also, the drying function does not completely dry your dishes, so you might have to go over them slightly with a drying towel. What makes the machine worth your consideration, however, is how reasonably priced it is. In addition, it will help you cut your water and electricity bills because of how energy and water efficient the machine is. And let's not forget the quietness of the machine while in operation. So you should buy the Beko Dishwasher for your dish cleaning. Thanks for watching.